Hi, my name is Heather Hanslick, and I'd like to welcome you to Save Anthony's River Snail site. I created this site while studying various endangered species lists and noticed a correlation between what may be viewed as minimally invasive human activity and a decline in multiple snail species all over the globe. Snails are not strangers to adapting to various environments. In fact, you'll find them in salt or freshwater, forests, or gardens. Maybe for now, anyway. When I was a child, they lived in abundance around me, and I remember trying not to crush them when I was playing outside. I've seen only one naturally occurring snail this year in my wooded backyard, and it has all of the provisions a snail would need to thrive. I challenge you to start looking for snails and see what you find. Unfortunately, I've been unable to locate a population of Anthony's river snail. Instead, I found eutrophic conditions of water with an abundance of nutrients unsuitable to sustain life for Anthony's water snail. One really cool fact about snails, though, and you can find this on my evolution page, is that they have disappeared and reappeared between millions of years on the fossil record, and even evolved with the same anatomy. So check out the ecology page to find out about other organisms that you would find living with Anthony's river snail, and become amazed with the anatomy of snails that have complex organs and key sex differences. The bold-faced and underlined words will direct you to a definition for that word. And finally, you can find my contact information on the conservation page. I hope that you enjoy navigating this site and learn something interesting about snails.